AIDA manufactures its products around the world and is uncompromising in its quest for quality. AIDA's production factories in China, Malaysia, Italy, the US, and Japan all use the same high standards. With 41 offices in 19 countries, AIDA sales and service ensures stable, high-quality production. Moreover, aiming for even greater growth by leveraging its stable finances and high earning power, AIDA will continue to build products that meet the needs of its customers. The AIDA Technical Center in Weingarten, Germany, the heart of the European auto industry, engages in the R&D of new equipment that is expanding technological frontiers. For AIDA, the future is the challenge. Customers worldwide choose our products for many reasons. We work with them and prosper together. We provide ever newer, ever better, environmentally friendly technologies and services. We help our customers make people's lives happier everywhere. Who are we? What are we? We are AIDA.